connect the power cord to the station. Place the station against a wall, on a hard floor, not carpet or rug, with at least 0.5 meters each side and 1.5 meters in the front of the station. Plug in the power cord. The station's panel has 3 buttons: station cleaning, when the DEEBOT is out of the station; start, pause the DEEBOT, and move the DEEBOT in, out of the station. Open the station lid and remove the clean water tank. Add water to the max level and place back into the station. In mopping mode, as the DEEBOT cleans, it will return to the clean station periodically to clean the mopping pads. Tap the self-cleaning button to automatically fill the cleaning sink with water. Clean the sink with the brush. The wastewater is automatically pumped into the wastewater tank. To prevent accidental operation of the control panel, press and hold the left and right buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds.
Child lock is already on.
Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.